If Face ID isn't working on your iPhone after updated to the latest version of iOS, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Solution 1. Clean the TrueDepth camera. Dirt, dust or smudges can obstruct the TrueDepth camera, affecting Face ID functionality. Use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe the front camera lens. After cleaning, test Face ID again. Solution 2. Check Face ID settings. Ensure that Face ID is set up and enabled for the desired features. For that, go to Settings. Then find and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Verify that iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, password autofill and other relevant options are toggled on. Solution 3. Disable Require Attention for Face ID. The Require Attention for Face ID feature ensures Face ID works only when you are looking directly at your iPhone. Disabling this may help if Face ID isn't recognized you. Go to Settings. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode if prompts. Now scroll down and turn off Require Attention for Face ID. Solution 4. Reset Face ID. Resetting Face ID can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. For that, open up Settings, then tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the on-screen instruction. Solution 5. Remove screen protector or case. A screen protector or case can interfere with Face ID. Remove any screen protector or case. Test Face ID again to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 6. Reset all settings. This will reset all system settings to their defaults without erasing your data. For that, go to Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 7. Contact Apple support. If none of the steps work, there may be a hardware issue. Visit Apple support website to resolve this problem. In this way, you can easily resolve this issue. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.